Choosing between color and black and white in modern street photography is not a technical decision. It is a storytelling decision. Each approach communicates differently, and understanding when to use one over the other strengthens your visual voice. Color street photography speaks the language of the present. It reflects how we experience the world naturally. Color carries emotional, cultural, and symbolic meaning. Red can suggest urgency or passion. Blue can feel calm or distant. Bright colors can energize a scene, while muted tones can create subtlety and restraint. In modern cities, color is everywhere. Advertising, clothing, signage, and light all compete for attention. When used intentionally, color becomes a subject itself. A single color dominating a frame can unify chaos. Contrasting colors can create tension or visual rhythm. Color allows you to work with complexity rather than simplify it. Black and white street photography removes that complexity. By stripping away color, the image emphasizes form, light, shadow, gesture, and emotion. Distractions fall away. What remains is structure and feeling. This is why black and white images often feel timeless. In black and white, light becomes more dramatic, shadows gain weight, geometry becomes clearer. Expressions and body language stand out more strongly. This makes black and white especially effective for high-contrast scenes or emotionally intense moments. Modern street photographers are not bound to one approach. The strongest work comes from intention. Ask what the story needs. If color adds meaning, keep it. If color distracts from the message, remove it. One common mistake is using black and white to fix weak color images. Black and white should not be an afterthought. It should be a deliberate choice made at the moment of seeing. Many photographers learn to pre-visualize scenes in black and white, noticing light and shadow before color. Digital tools have expanded creative control. Today, photographers can fine-tune tones, contrast, and color relationships with precision. This power comes with responsibility. Overprocessing can flatten emotion or make images feel artificial. Subtlety often creates stronger impact. Another consideration is consistency. When building a project or series, choosing a dominant approach helps create cohesion. A body of work in color communicates differently than one in black and white. Both are valid. The key is clarity of intent. Audience perception also plays a role. Color images often feel immediate and contemporary. Black and white images feel reflective and interpretive. Neither is better. They simply speak differently. In modern street photography, flexibility is strength. Many photographers work fluently in both styles, choosing based on subject, light, and emotion. Over time, patterns emerge that reveal personal preference and voice. Ultimately, color and black and white are tools. They are ways of translating how you experience the street. When chosen with intention, they help viewers feel what you felt in that moment. And that emotional connection is what makes a street photograph resonate.